How to disable store password from Shopify store. Remove store password from Shopify store. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. In this video, I will be demonstrating to you how you can remove the Shopify store password prompt, and it's going to be very easy and very simple, and it's going to be a very brief tutorial, so let's get into it. So basically, first of all, here's your online store. If you click on view online store, I'm just gonna wait for this to load up. Now see, as it loads up, down here you can see it says your online store is password protected with Taude, and obviously it says manage preferences. You can change your country. Even if you do that, it keeps on saying your online store is password protected, and if any user comes here, obviously he or she's gonna need to enter a password to come here. Without that, they won't be able to enter our store. Now, how do we prevent this? To do that, we're going to go and click on the online store tab. And once we click on the online store tab in our Shopify, over here it says your online store is password protected. To remove the password, pick a plan. Now, to do that, you're going to come here and click on pick a plan. And once you click on pick a plan, what's going to happen is it's going to load you up and it's going to take you to its planning section. So I'm just going to wait for that to load up. And once you go on and pick a plan, it's going to bring you here where it gives the basic Shopify plans. Where's the basic Shopify, Shopify, and advanced Shopify. These are the different plans, and obviously by getting these, you can easily remove your password. So all you need to do is choose a plan. And once you do that, you're going to go back to your online store tab, and over here, you're going to see an option to where it no longer says your online store is password protected. And from there on out, you can go and view your store. And there you can see that this prompt down here will no longer exist either. So yes, that is how easy it is to remove the password from your store in Shopify. So I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.